Latham is the largest manufacturer of in-ground residential pools in North America, Australia, and New Zealand. We manufacture pools out of fiberglass, polymer, and steel. The Fort Wayne plant is about 160,000 square feet. We manufacture steel panels, steel braces, and steel steps. We also manufacture vinyl liners and safety covers. This is our first foray into robotics. Though we have had some automation before, the robot process is new, so it's been a journey for us.
We needed to produce a new panel production line. We really wanted to produce a state-of-the-art finishing line, and robotics was the appropriate solution.
KC Robotics largely designed the system and integrated the system.
They had a boom in demand, and they needed a second line to help with their production and help with staffing shortages.
Like many employers, labor was a challenge for us. The robotic line helped us with that. We were able to take employees who were working on the robotics line and reallocate them to other areas of the plant.
The pool fabrication line, it utilizes 7 FANUC robots. All the robots are R-2000s with different options on them. The first robot includes FANUC vision and performs an inspection application. The second robot, it performs a stud welding application. The third robot is a pick and place robot that inserts a Z-rib to the pool panel. The fourth robot is integrated with a Weber nut driver, and it drives a nut onto the pool panel. The fifth and sixth robot are both spot welding robots that utilize spot tool from FANUC, and the seventh robot is a palletizing robot with a 7th axis for increased range.
The parts we produce on our new robotics line are used in the construction of an in-ground residential pool. The parts we produce are structural systems, so the quality of those parts being perfect every time is critical.
The quality is really exceptional on our finished product now. The robotics have added repeatability and reliability to the process. We're also able to weld the signature of the actual spot welds to maintain 100% quality product.
The FANUC robots' ease of programming and motion reliability helped the project with a large variation in product sizes we had to accommodate. The R-2000 platform was chosen to keep commonality between the different robots.
The whole experience working with FANUC has been fantastic. The equipment's been reliable, the service has been great, and the training they provide in their Michigan facility has been outstanding as well.
For us, the robotics line itself has introduced new jobs, robotics operators, and controls technicians.
With the success of this automation project, it's really opened our eyes to what the possibilities are for future automation processes.